work our arms, work our pec muscles, work our cores, work our glutes. Hey, I think we're gonna work everything. All right, so let's come on over onto all fours. Good. Let's bring those wrists right under our shoulders, knees under those hips. Now, pull those abs up and in, right? We want to protect our lower back. We don't want it sagging. We don't want it rounding. We want to keep it nice and steady. All right. Let's drop our bellies. Arch the back like that. Good. And then we're going to round our spines into the opposite. These are our cat-cows, some yoga. This is just a good little warm-up before we get started. Round that spine, dropping that head. Pull those abs up and in for me. Ooh, drop those bellies. All right, give me one more rounded spine. And come to a neutral. All right, we're gonna step it out and just hold our planks, okay? So take those legs out behind you, step it out. Remember, we're keeping those wrists under our shoulders, abs up and in, glutes engaged. You want to feel like there's a fishing line pulling out of the top of your head and pulling out of your heels. So you're pulling in opposite directions, nice and strong. As always, if it feels better, drop those knees. But let's keep a straight line from the top of our head to the tip of our tailbones, right? All right, hold your plank. You've got this. Give me 8, 7. Oh, that's a slow count. You got this? Ready? 4, 3, 2. Oh, I know we're shaking. 1, downward facing dog. Good, pedal out those heels. Woo! Those are not easy, are they, my friends? All right, we're gonna come back down to a plank. So when you're ready, come back down into your plank. And here's what's gonna happen. You step out with that right foot, and then you tap it back in, strong plank. Out with that left foot, step it back in, up to tempo. It's out, out. Alternating those feet, right? Out. Woo! Okay, so you have a choice. Keep it here, or take it to a plank jack. Both feet together. Trying to stay in that plank, focus. Out, in. You've got this, come on. 4, 3. Pull those abs up and in, you got this. 1, drop those knees, sit it back, child's pose. Woo, reaching out through those fingers. If you want, you can roll it up. Roll out those wrists. Woo, my heart rate's already getting up there. All right, let's come down onto our side. Now we have a choice here. We can either come here on our forearm and keep our hips down, or lift those hips up and just hold it. So either here, engaging the side, lift those hips up, or if you're feeling it, full forearm side plank. You can bring your hand up here. If you're really feeling it, reach it up. You gotta pull those abs up and in. Even if you're down on the ground on your hip, you pull those abs up and in. You're still gonna get strong. Breathe. You look up at those fingertips. Oh, I know it's hard. Hold it, you got this. Come on, come on, come on. 4, 3. Those come-ons are really for me. 2, 1. Drop those hips. Beautiful. All right, let's come up to a full side plank. So remember, keeping those wrists under those shoulders. Again, choice. You can keep your knee down on the ground, like so, or you can come up to full plank. You're gonna extend that arm up, and we're gonna reach under and bring it back up. Here we go, reach, lift. Reaching under those ribs, reach. You wanna really stay strong. Don't let things fall. Again, come down to your knee if that feels better. Keeping that wrist under your shoulder. Give me 4, 3, come on, 2, 1. Hold it, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Drop those hips. All right, let's stretch it out a little bit before we head to the other side. Woo! That arm feels a little tired, doesn't it? Shake that out, bring it up. Press down on that elbow. You're trying to reach those fingertips between your shoulder blades. Good. All right, shake it out. All right, let's come back onto all fours. We're gonna be coming into a plank on this side, and we're gonna hold it. I don't know, we'll see if we hold it as long as we did on the other side. Take those feet out long. That fishing line is pulling you, come on. Abs up and in, glutes engaged, of course. You can drop those knees if that feels better. If you have wrist issues, you can come down to your forearms. I want to ask you to try to keep these forearms wide. When we clasp them in the middle, it tends to make us sink in on ourselves. So try to keep them wide, shoulder width. Hold it here, come on, you got this. All right, faster count. 4, no it isn't. 3, come on. 2, 1, downward facing dog. Good, pedal at those heels. Woo! I'm totally sweating, guys. All right, let's come back down to our plank when you're ready, okay? Come into your plank. You're gonna take right foot, bring that knee to the outside of your right elbow. Bring it back. Bring your left knee outside of that left elbow. Then we can take it up to tempo. Here we go, strong planks. Reach, take it back. Reach, woo! It's really working those outer obliques there. Oh my goodness, reach, down. This is called spider. Out, bring it in. 4, 3, come on. 2, you got this. 1, downward facing dog. Good, and when you're ready, just drop those knees. Sit it back in your child's pose. Really reach. Woo! All right, roll it up. You can roll out those wrists. We do planks so we get your heart rate up so much, right? All right, let's come down on our side. Remember, coming down on that forearm. And we have options. Stack those knees. If you want to stay here because you don't feel ready, just make sure you're holding those ribs up, holding those obliques up. Remember, you can then just lift your hips, or you can take it out. Full side plank. Keep your hand here. You can reach those fingers up. Hold it up. Oh, I know it's tough, but think how good you're gonna feel when we're done. That's the important part, right? Don't think about now. Think about what your long-term goals are. You're coming here because you know exercise makes you feel better and you know that you're gonna have a happier day by doing it. That is a wonderful goal. So don't think about the pain now. Think about the gains later. All right, bring it down. Awesome. All right, now again, when we come up on the side, you can keep your knee down and extend that top leg long, arms coming up, or come into the full plank and we're reaching under, right? Here we go. You reach, lift, reach. Oh, that's exciting. Hold those abs up and in. Come on, reach, reach. Awesome. 4, 3. All right, just hold up. This is it, come on. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hips down. You are awesome. All right, let's stretch out that left side. Bring that arm across. Oh, this is gonna feel good. Woo, make sure you're breathing. All right, reach it up. Bend that elbow, press those fingertips between your shoulder blades. Reach both arms up. Bring her around behind your back. Interlace those fingers. Just give me a real proud chest here. Gently pulling those hands away from your back. Only as far as you can, remember? It shouldn't hurt. Breathe, really opening up that chest. All right, let's reverse it, bring it around to the front. Like you're hugging a big beach ball. Really rounding that spine. Open up between those shoulder blades. Reach it up, let it go. Great job, guys. How fun was that? Super fast, super effective. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel. And when you subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell. That way, you'll know when all my new stuff is dropping. You can follow me on Instagram at Molly at the Bar. You can visit my website, mollyatthebar.com. I'm so proud of you for coming today to take care of your health for both your head and your heart. Until next time,